What is ActiveCampaign? ActiveCampaign is an all-in-one marketing automation platform that helps small businesses and entrepreneurs to build relationships with their customers, increase sales, and optimize customer service. It offers a range of features including personalized emails, automated campaigns, segmentation, lead scoring, website tracking, CRM integrations, and more. ActiveCampaign's easy-to-use platform makes it great for any business looking to quickly get up and running with marketing automation. In addition, its comprehensive analytics dashboard allows users to track their performance in real time and make data-driven decisions. With ActiveCampaign's powerful yet simple tools, businesses can easily create personalized communications that engage their target customers at every touchpoint of the customer journey. Pros and cons to using ActiveCampaign. ActiveCampaign is a powerful marketing automation platform that enables businesses to create targeted campaigns, automate customer journeys, and measure their impact. The primary benefit of using ActiveCampaign is the ability to create complex campaigns with multiple touchpoints and automated triggers. This helps you to reach the right customers at the right time with the most relevant messages. Additionally, ActiveCampaign can be integrated with many popular tools like Salesforce and Shopify, making it easier for businesses to track and analyze data. However, as with any tool, there are also some potential downsides to using ActiveCampaign. For example, its automation feature can be difficult to set up correctly, and its features may be too advanced for small businesses or startups that don't have dedicated marketers or developers on staff. Additionally, since ActiveCampaign is a paid service, it can become costly for businesses that need more features than are available in their free plan. Overall, ActiveCampaign is a great tool, but it's important to weigh both the pros and cons before investing in it. Why do you need ActiveCampaign alternatives and competitors? ActiveCampaign is a popular marketing platform, but it may not suit everyone's needs. It can be expensive, and its features may not meet the requirements of some businesses. Additionally, it does not offer all the features and services that other competitors may provide. Therefore, it is important to consider ActiveCampaign alternatives and competitors in order to find the best option for your business. By researching different platforms, you can weigh the pros and cons of each one and see which one offers the features that will best serve your business needs. Additionally, this will give you access to a variety of pricing options so that you can find the most cost-effective solution for your company.